What's up guys, it's SRA and today we're going in an abandoned house and hopes to not get caught by the police.
You're?
I'm Olivia.
I'm Rory. And I'm Sion.
Going out with the bag, shaking my head. This is my way. I'll be going out with the bag. This is my day. Buy me your day. I'll be going out with the. Don't talk about Joe, but go Joe. Take my shit, gotta pop my gum. Give me that kiss. Hey, I told you it's explosive, it's aggressive, it's a little bit. You can hate me for me, maybe that's your love. Don't love me for somebody I'm not. I'm burning hot. There's a fire living inside me, and it won't burn out until dark. So tonight.
Right, okay, so we managed to get into the house. And now they'll go upstairs to floor 1. And we've...
We can have here for the first bit is like an hour, half up to 45 minutes, and then we have to go on a few lunches for a little bit.
Yeah, we'll eat snacks and stuff. Okay, so let's get in.
Oh yeah, can you use your flash?
Right guys, false alarm. So we only think she heard someone step on glass, so we're gonna take 10 minutes, just have like a little drink and snack, and then we're gonna try again. But yeah, okay. I'll see you guys once we get our snacks out. Okay, we got a spot.
Get everything out.
Yeah. Okay, so we got these like little caramel tart things because they're really good. And then Remy picked out these like birthday cakes. I don't know. And then Aaliyah picked out these like things. And then we all got Lucy's to share. Yeah. So yeah. Right, we'll give you guys updates when that's go. Or we'll give you any updates what happens.
Welcome back.
That spread was delicious. Should we try it?
Bugger.
It's not like you're allergic to them.
You never know. But I have juice to carry in the bag.
Guys, we tried it. That's disgusting. So yeah, I bought our rubbish in a bin bag, and then there's rubbish everywhere, which is really sad in this economy, by the way.
Is that in the house?
No. Go to the front so you can listen. Wait. Run out of time. And that car goes in the house. Yeah. Wait. One never dies. Lily and the cameraman room.
Go. I'm not going first.
Guys, you cannot be for real. Alright, Ellie, come with me. It's a double one, it's freaking me the freak out. Leave the light on. Ellie, see, hold my hand.
It's really wet.
Oh wait, oh shoot. Guys,
It's really wet.
the frick. Someone tried to flood it. Guys, someone tried to flood it. Wait, no, guys, it's starting to get drier.
What's your
Shut. Okay.
Put you back in.
Oh, guys, it stinks. First, we're just exploring.
Guys, see one get blood, I'm out on sale. So.
By the way, guys, this is our second, well, Aaliyah's third time, I think.
Oh, no, like, it's my fifth.
Aaliyah's fifth. Mine and hers a second time. Okay. Right, guys, last time we were here, we picked out a candle from here.
Do you know you are that scared you would get the hiccups?
Oh my god, guys.
Does anyone else feel nauseous?
No. It definitely feels a lot colder in here, though. Like, my hands are really cold.
Legs are cold. These are thermal. Look at my hand.
Guys, can we show them the candle? Guys, you went, I'm meant to be...
almost see. No, we're actually I'm not going down to spawn for. I go there.
Guys, we're a little scared because there might be homeless people on the bottom floor.
That's where I saw the news. I'm too scared to go down there. We haven't get out. Back down through the gate.
Wait, there's like a bee's nest near the shop my phone. Hold sec, guys.
Anything happens.
Wait, guys, where'd all the candles go?
If anyone says anything.
Wait, guys. Okay, so there are loads of candles. Like, look. These were like candles.
Says anything. So I've got spiritual crap. If
Oh, yeah,
anything says anything.
Yeah, not
Yeah,
yet.
look, it's just relevant.
I know, we're exploring.
I know.
Right, okay, so this is like the outside deck thing.
Boombox. There you go.
Adventure. Oh, not yet, not yet.
Oh, they've used my earphones for this.
Yeah, just do your exploring thing. Right, okay, so this is the outside deck. Sorry. How's me doing this? There's another outside deck. Oh no.
Downstairs.
Aaliyah's paranoid, it's okay. Stop, you're getting me paranoid. W speed? What? W speed.
I felt a lot better that she made it in
Yeah.
again cool.
Like, what is this? We don't yet, not yet.
Wait, I know, it's just can't see anything.
Aaliyah was exploring first. Right, this is my least favorite spot.
Oh hell no, I don't like that. I don't like that.
There's nothing there.
I don't like it.
I'm too scared.
Keep going. I'm gonna check. Guys,
Stop turning back on by itself.
wait, guys, last time we hear that turned on by itself. I don't even want to go in there. Oh, Aaliyah! Oh, wait, never mind. It says first Aaliyah's name. It didn't. Guys, by the way, this house like got burnt down, if you couldn't tell.
Devil is watch.
Guys, if you're going to see something spooky, I'll at least know how to spell.
Stay out.
You know who you are.
Stay out the.
There, stairs. The stairs, Sabaeras.
Bus.
We know who you are. No, you don't.
What?
So stay out and then underneath the step.
Glam with. Guys, I can't see it.
Why is that car like keep going out?
Guys, how sure are we that that's a car alarm?
I don't know.
So,
I don't know.
guys, I really don't feel good about this.
Neither do I. That's not a car alarm.
It is. Because it was the van which was reversing.
I have a massive bad one.
We're doing this for you guys. Guys, just take a moment. There's no cameras, and plus there's no electricity to go in this house because it burnt down.
I know, but we don't know. Because if the police found it and they're aware.
I know, but people are thingy, so we should be fine.
I'm not going to.
We're just hella paranoid.
Police. If we get caught by them, we're doomed.
We're not going to. You're looking
Right.
at the wrong part of the camera. It's this far.
I'll shoot it. It's a picture by itself.
So this is the kitchen, which got also burnt down.
I'll tell you the story one second.
Like a lot of people like punched the windows for some random reason. I'm not gonna lie, it does kind of stink in here. If we're brave enough, we'll go downstairs, but I don't think that's gonna be happening. Right, I'll leave first. Not gonna lie. Sorry, I'll put that out. Oh, guys, this is my favourite spot.
This is why we're in here.
The stairs. Guys, keep walking.
Stains.
Oh, it does see stains. Right, last time we sat exactly here.
You need to keep doing such a
Oh, that's what we did a new eye this time. Oh, it's just a door.
Leo left it open.
Yeah, and it fell.
Yeah, no, I left it open.
Yeah, and it fell.
It was stood up by something.
No, it doesn't. Every time I do it. Liam, when I was here last time, it closed.
Don't drink it, you're gonna get
Obviously, he's going to be drinking that.
poison. Not safe in this room, that is.
Get-
Bro, that is.
Wait, guys, oh my god. That's where we put the things in.
Okay, I'm sitting
But
down.
it moved. I'm going here. There's so many wasps, so we have to be careful when they come in.
I'm sitting
I
here.
don't like that alarm.
Guys, just ignore it.
If we get caught, short for that.
How's my fault? This was your idea. Right, let's just continue with our investigation.
You're not sitting down for me.
So you need to sit there.
Hang on.
I'm recording, but okay.
You need to go and finish such a ritual.
Wait, do the ritual.
Right, I've also got like.
Why is there litter here?
Wait, no, Ella, I think it's lit. I think it's like came from walls and stuff. Like, look, I've got this in the background as well.
So this way you see the way you walk past.
Yeah, I was walking and then it looked like there was a white dress, like some white fabric got pulled. What the frick?
Is there anyone here?
We need to leave.
I'm leaving.
Guys, we need to leave.
We're leaving.
Here.
Is that downstairs?
No, Ella, I don't care about recording. Go. Go, go. Go, go.
Oh, sure. What? I can't do that. Oh. I've got my spirit out on. We're going to sleep now.
Need to go. I can't see, guys. You should have put it back. Why won't the alarms stop? No, guys, there's not someone in there, but that alarm has to be something. Like, I heard the brass, like, be quiet because you hear someone digging or something. Yeah.
There's someone downstairs.
Someone in there, there's like someone in the back garden.
I just know for a fact there's someone down there.
Guys, that's the one for that one. Guys, there's an alarm for that one. That means there's someone in that one. Yeah, listen.
I'm not going back.
Hello, listen. You could hear someone in that one. Hear that? That's people. Is that one?
Listen. This.
Is that one?
I'm not going in.
I'm not going back in there, no. It was like that. You could hear like. I was in that one, and there's alarms going off in that one.
So this touching up rituals when you told me. Right, we just get out. It's just hot.
Great, what else can we do for this video? Should we go to the park area? This was a bit of gone wrong.
Yeah, let's go to the, do you know the Gables Park?
Yeah, we're not going to expose it though. We're going to do the Spirit Talker at the top park, see if you got followed.
We're going to up to the top of the rocket though.
I'm
I'm afraid of heights, but I'm not afraid of that.
I've never
I've
even...
jumped off a mini one of those. I'm sorry.
So guys, just...
That's creepy. I heard someone downstairs and I told you I heard.
Guys, there's just too many alarms and it's too risky. And I heard someone downstairs. So we're going to get the Spirit Talker and do it at Rocket, see if we got followed of some sort. We just have to be really cautious because there's another haunted building next to it which has got CCTV. So it's in on the gate. I've literally got it recording.
What are you doing?
I'm recording you guys. I'm getting up here first. Don't know about you, but I'm feeling 22. You can see it over there. If we were with more people, guys, we'll stay for longer. It's just really risky for us. So we're going to the Rocket. Right, we'll tell you guys what there. Some updates is that we're going to the park nearby. We're going to go somewhere and we'll do research about the Seton Court, whatever it is, and we'll tell you guys. Bye.
Park, just to research, and then we're gonna have some fun.
I'll go and help you with one hand because I've got a bloody bag and stuff. Bro, I can see you. You're so short. I'm trying to get out. Wait, no, I'm actually gonna die. I think I'm gonna die. Oh my god, I'm actually really scared. Wait, why am I low-key scared? Okay guys, we made it.
Oh,
Right, let's come closer.
very scarily.
Okay.
Again.
Baby Harlow, what's up? Right, we're gonna do our research and we'll see you guys in a few seconds.
Scary sound.
Yeah.
I'm gonna get you.
That's creepy. Okay, let's at least start. So we just did research about the house. We're not sure what happened.
We're going to the kiddie park first.
So we're going to the kiddie park and there's like a vampire's grave. So we searched up, I searched up, is it disrespectful to record in a graveyard?
Let's just
As long as we do it quietly and we do this for property.
we're just going to go straight
Okay. Can you something else? We didn't record the actual graves because we wanted to be respectful, but there's tadpoles! In this lake, there's tadpoles. Guys, we seen these tadpoles?
Frog spawn. Oh yeah, frog spawn.
Whoa.
That means there's frogs somewhere.
That is so crazy,
Where are the
guys.
frogs? Look how tiny they are.
They're so small.
They're ugly. They look like little sperm.
Oh yeah. Whoa, look how much.
You know that's the biggest resemblance to a tadpole.
Oh my god, they're actually so scary.
But this seems a little bit.
We're quite high. At least don't stop, Aaliyah, actually scared. Coming, Remy. That's that.